Hello. Okay. Today I will try to just discuss about the prospect of zoology in India specifically, because today I will not going to upload any sort of material regarding CSI and NET of life science, but rather I would love to discuss some different kinds of academic scenario of zoology, because as a student one can easily think that if I am going to study zoology in BSc or either in MSc, what will be the best future for himself or herself. As a teacher I can tell you one thing, that lots of people want to study biotechnology, microbiology, rather biochemistry, biophysics at undergraduate level. But I must tell you one thing, that it is fine if you want to study biotechnology or microbiology and get industrial job. But I can tell you one thing, that out of 1,000 student, you can just tell just might be around 20 student, basically they will get a good amount of opportunity or other good salaried job. But if you are going to study zoology, as for zoology honors, I must say at BSc level mainly, and then at MSc level, it is fine. Or you can say what I am talking about, that nowadays job is very important for each and everyone. So how one can easily go for zoology honors? But I want to tell you one thing, that as for lecturer job or as for teacher job is very much satisfactory job for some students, because lots of candidates want to become basically a teacher or professor in near future. So I want to tell them one thing: do not get disappointed that I am doing zoology honors. As for I am going to study in general line and my friends are going towards engineering. And I can tell you one thing, in engineering colleges they are taking lots of money, and in return hardly one can get a good amount of opportunity or other good salaried job, because those engineering colleges actually take some around 4 to 5 lakhs within the 3 to 4 years, and rather they actually get some kind of 8,000 to 10,000 salaried job. So basically I must tell you one thing, yes, it is tough to study zoology honors or any sort of kind of honors. But as a teacher of zoology I can tell you one thing, zoology is one of the interesting subject. Why? Not that I am teacher of zoology, that's why it is interesting, but lots of student. And I can tell you one thing, in a certain college, if you just going to observe that, and definitely you will find certainly that maybe the most number of forms actually submitted by student as for zoology honors. Now the question is why? That's the biggest question. It might be controversial, but it is a fact. And to be honest, it is very tough to study honors and then get a good marks basically. So I must tell you one thing, as for prospect of zoology, definitely after MSc you have to crack CSI and NET, expectedly JRF. Why JRF? If you can crack CSI and NET JRF, then definitely you will get a good amount of fellowship, so you can pursue PhD at some different institution, and definitely you can get lots of exposure. Though it is right the background is very important for certain student, but in life opportunity come only once, and you have to grab that particular opportunity at the earliest, because there is a huge amount of competition, and that's why lots of people don't want to go for research oriented job, because it needs lots of patience, dedication, and lots of commitment, because you have to be very much isolated from the so called normal society. Because if you can remain isolated, then only you can do something very special. It is the fact. Okay, so